Hello, in front of me I've got CS2. In this video we'll check if silencer makes difference. Firstly, let's shoot with USP with silencer. Take a look at the top left corner of the radar. Right here after each shot we can see the range of the sound. Now let's take the silencer off. And as you can see, the sound range is a lot bigger. Now let's try it with M4A1S. And same. So the silencer makes slight difference in sound range. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.